Searching for the best personal blender for smoothies feels like falling into a rabbit hole. Every model looks the same cups, same blades, same on-the-go claims. But here's the thing, most of them can't actually crush ice properly or blend leafy greens without chunks.
Exactly. I've got so many thoughts on what happened this week.
It really is shifting daily. I mean, did you see the demo they dropped on Tuesday?
Oh, absolutely. It blew my mind. But it also raised some pretty huge questions about how we define art in the first place.
Right, so let's get right into it because we have a lot to unpack today.
Product number 1, Magic Bullet 11-piece set. Let's start with the Magic Bullet 11-piece set. This is the one everyone recognizes. At $34.99, it's one of the most affordable options out there, and honestly, it's a solid entry point. The 250-watt motor won't win any power contest, but it handles basic smoothies, dips, and even grinding coffee surprisingly well. What I like is how compact and lightweight it is, perfect if you're tight on counter space or just want something simple. It comes with 2 cups, lids, and even a recipe guide, so you're not left guessing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're blending soft fruits, yogurt, or pre-chopped veggies, this does the job fast and easy, but don't expect miracles with frozen fruit or ice. It struggles. Some people complain it can't handle thick mixtures without adding extra liquid, and honestly, that's fair. The motor isn't built for heavy-duty blending. Now, some people say it broke after a few months, but most of those cases were from overloading it with ice or hard ingredients. If you stick to light smoothies and food prep, it lasts. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget, new to blending, or just need something for quick breakfast shakes. Skip this one if you plan on making thick acai bowls or crushing ice regularly. For the price, it's decent value, but you know its limits. Exactly! I've got so many thoughts on what happened this week. It really is shifting daily. I mean, did you see the demo they dropped on Tuesday? Oh, absolutely! It blew my mind! But it also raised some pretty huge questions about how we define art in the first place. Right, so let's get right into it because we have a lot to unpack today.
Product number 2, Ninja NutriBlender Plus. Now, if the Magic Bullet's lack of power frustrated you, the Ninja BN301 NutriBlender Plus is a serious step up. At $89.99, it's pricier, but you're paying for that 900 peak watt motor, and it shows. This thing pulverizes ice, frozen berries, and even kale stems like it's nothing. The Pro extractor blades are designed to break down cell walls in fruits and veggies, which means more nutrients in your drink. You get 3 20-ounce cups with spout lids and a storage lid, so you can blend, drink, and save leftovers without extra dishes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're serious about nutrition or love thick, creamy smoothies, this delivers consistency the cheaper ones can't match. It's also dishwasher safe, which is a huge win for busy mornings. Some users complain the cups aren't completely leak-proof if you shake them hard, and yeah, I've seen a few reports of spills in bags, but for normal use, the seal holds up. Also, it's a bit louder than expected. Don't expect library silence. Still, for the power and versatility, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you want restaurant-quality smoothies at home and don't mind spending a bit more. Skip this one if you only blend once in a while or hate loud appliances. You're getting serious performance for the price.
Exactly. I've got so many thoughts on what happened this week.
It really is shifting daily. I mean, did you see the demo they dropped on Tuesday?
Oh, absolutely. It blew my mind. But it also raised some pretty huge questions about how we define art in the first place.
Right. So let's get right into it because we have a lot to unpack today.
Product number 3, NutriBullet Original 600 Watt. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be the sweet spot for most people, the NutriBullet Original 600 Watt. Priced at $57.99, it sits right in the middle, more powerful than the Magic Bullet, more affordable than the Ninja Plus. The 600-watt motor handles frozen fruit and spinach with ease, and the 24-ounce cup is just the right size for a single serving. What I love is how simple it is. Just push, twist, and blend. No buttons, no programs, just pure function. It even comes with a recipe book to get you started. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want something that just works without overcomplicating your morning routine, this is it. The extractor blade design helps unlock nutrients, so you're actually getting more from your ingredients. Some people say the cup scratches easily over time, and yeah, the plastic isn't indestructible, but it's BPA-free and dishwasher safe, so cleaning is easy. Also, it only comes with 1 cup, so if you're making drinks for 2, you'll need to blend twice. Still, for 1 person or a couple taking turns, it's ideal. This is perfect for you if you want reliable performance, easy cleanup, and no fuss blending. Skip this one if you need multiple servings at once or want preset programs. For the price, it's one of the best balanced blenders out there. Exactly. I've got so many thoughts on what happened this week. It really is shifting daily. I mean, did you see the demo they dropped on Tuesday? Oh, absolutely. It blew my mind. But it also raised some pretty huge questions about how we define art in the first place. Right, so let's get right into it because we have a lot to unpack today.
Product number 4, Ninja NutriPro Auto IQ. Now, if you're tired of guessing blend times, the Ninja NutriPro BN401 brings smart tech to the table. At $79.99, it's got a 1,000 peak watt motor and 2 Auto IQ programs, one for smoothies, one for crushed ice. Just press a button and it runs a timed cycle that stops automatically. No more overblending or guessing. The 24-ounce cups are big enough for hearty drinks, and the Pro extractor blades crush ice into snow in seconds. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're busy and want consistency without thinking, this removes the guesswork. It's also great for nutrient extraction, blending whole fruits including skins and seeds so you don't waste anything. Some users say the Auto IQ cycles can be too short for very thick blends and you might need to run it twice. Also, it's taller than most, so check your cabinet space. But honestly, the power and convenience outweigh those quirks. This is perfect for you if you want hands-off blending, love frozen drinks, or hate cleaning up after multiple attempts. Skip this one if you prefer full manual control or have very low cabinets. It's a premium experience at a mid-tier price.
Exactly. I've got so many thoughts on what happened this week.
It really is shifting daily. I mean, did you see the demo they dropped on Tuesday?
Oh, absolutely. It blew my mind. But it also raised some pretty huge questions about how we define art in the first place.
Right, so let's get right into it because we have a lot to unpack today.
Product number 5, Ninja Fit Compact Fit. Finally, if portability is your top priority, the Ninja Fit QB30001SS is a sleeper hit. At $54.99, it's compact, lightweight, and uses pulse technology for better control. The 700-watt motor is stronger than it looks, handling ice and frozen fruit with ease. You get 2 16-ounce cups with spout lids, perfect for taking to work or the gym. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're always on the move and want a blender that fits in a backpack, this is it. It's also BPA-free and dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. Some people wish the cups were bigger, and yeah, 16-ounce might not be enough if you're making post-workout shakes with protein powder and fruit, but for quick smoothies or single servings, it's ideal. Also, it's not as powerful as the NutriPro, so don't expect the same ice-crushing speed. Still, for daily use, it holds up. This is perfect for you if you travel often, have a small kitchen, or want a second blender for the office. Skip this one if you need large batches or ultra-thick blends. It's a great balance of size, power, and price.
Exactly. I've got so many thoughts on what happened this week.
It really is shifting daily. I mean, did you see the demo they dropped on Tuesday?
Oh, absolutely. It blew my mind. But it also raised some pretty huge questions about how we define art in the first place.
Right, so let's get right into it because we have a lot to unpack today.
So which one should you get? The Magic Bullet if you're on a tight budget. The NutriBullet 600 watt if you want the best balance of price and performance. The Ninja NutriBlender Plus if you want maximum power. The Ninja NutriPro if you love smart features. And the Ninja Fit if you're always on the go. Each has its strengths, just pick the one that fits your lifestyle. Let me know in the comments which one you're grabbing.
Exactly. I've got so many thoughts on what happened this week.
It really is shifting daily. I mean, did you see the demo they dropped on Tuesday?
Oh, absolutely. It blew my mind. But it also raised some pretty huge questions about how we define art in the first place.
Right, so let's get right into it because we have a lot to unpack today.